Now, a common question people have when they first get their drone is, does it record sound or does my controller record sound? Well, no, it doesn't. But that doesn't mean to say that you can't have it, because I've attached a microphone and I'm going to show you what it's like to have sound on your drone when you fly. It's actually very simple. Now we have the DJI mic, which I have attached to the DJI RC, and that gives me sound. So I can record my screen, and then I can also sync this up with the video that I also take as well. So it's very, very simple. And with the DJI mic, it comes with two microphones. So you could essentially attach the other microphone to the drone itself, depending on the drone that you want to use. So it's very simple. So I'm going to show you how we do that. I hope you enjoy this view. I'm in Lapland in the north of Finland, and it's -16. It's so cold, but it's so beautiful. So how do we do this? Well, it's actually very, very simple, and I'm just going to actually continue using the drone for this. So you can see here that I have attached the DJI mic receiver to the USB-C port on the back of the DJI RC. So plug that in with the USB-C port. I have the one of the DJI mics here, and I'm just recording my screen. That's it. So when you take it out, so you put the SD card in, of course, and you record with the SD card. Once you do that, you can take the footage out. You can sync it up with the video that you take as well. So you can see here that I'm recording video, and this is also the screen recording as well. So it's that simple, and you could essentially attach one of these, because there are two mics. I have two in the DJI mic pack. So you can see here that, I don't know if you can see it properly in this light, but there are two mics in here. I don't know if you can see it. I can't really see it properly. I'll try to zoom it in. But there's two mics in there. So there's one mic here, one mic here. So you essentially attach one to the drone if you wanted to have the drone as well, but I don't really see the point because it's just going to be noisy, isn't it? I hope this was helpful to you. This will solve problems for people who want to have sound on their drones. I haven't used any other camera apart from the Mini 3 Pro, and the sound coming from the DJI mic, which is attached to the DJI RC. Thanks everyone. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful view that I'm having here on holiday. Well, holiday, some work as well, but let's see. Anyway, all the best. See you on the next time. And by the way, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It'd be really helpful. Fly safe.